Today we're not at the barn, we're back in London. Me and Arthur, we've come to sort out the bench. We're going to repair the bench. We're at Blackheath, that's All Saints Church just over there, you can't see it. There you go. And the bench is just there, but someone's sitting on it at the moment, so I'm not going to disturb them. I'll wait a little bit. This is a memorial bench that Lou paid for, I think it was about 3 or 4 years ago now. I can check on the dates, but the slats at the back, they're damaged. And they are. Someone ruined it. So we're going to fix that. I'll show you that in a minute. This bench is made of teak, but you can't import teak into the UK anymore. I think teak used to come from, is it Brazil? I've got some Iroko that I bought the other day. That's known as African teak, so it's pretty close. It's a hardwood. We're going to use a couple of bits to repair the bench. I got the table saw and the thickness of planer. I used both of them to actually get the wood to the right size. The thickness of planer, it's the first time I've ever used one, and the wood did kick off to one side, so you need to make sure that you feed it through properly. But we've got the right thickness, and I'll show you how I'm going to plate it up in a minute. Just got all my stuff out of the van because the people had gone within 2 minutes. Oh, that's a nice place to sit. Looks like we're sitting here for another 20 minutes. Come in. We're in. Okay, this is the situation. So there's a big chunk missing here, and then there's another one. This is split off. I've got this bit and I've got that bit. So this bit, what I'm going to do, I'm going to router out this section here, and then I'm going to put that in its place, and then I'm going to get this bit and I'm going to plate the whole back and bolt it on it, so this would never happen. The reason why it apparently happens is people come out to the parks to exercise and they put their you know, stretchy things here and like use them to exercise, and it just splits off. But I mean, if you've done it once, why would you then change it and then go, all right, I'll just do it here instead? Like, I don't know, is someone giving it a boot? What are you doing? You trying to get your jumper off? Hi.
Just interested, what are you doing there?
I'm fixing it.
Are you fixing it? Oh,
Yeah. So these had been pulled off.
okay.
So someone used to obviously, they put the exercise bars through,
Right.
and then they pull them off.
Somebody to pay attention to you? No, sweetie.
But yeah, so my partner, she paid for the bench,
Okay.
and then obviously it got broken, and she asked the council to fix it, and then they just stuck filler in, and then it snapped again. So
So you're doing it properly?
I'm doing it properly.
Are you a carpenter or something?
No.
Are you? You're not, just an interest
You
in
just
it?
know what you're doing.
You just know what you're doing?
Yeah. Just use my brain.
With your lovely dog.
So yeah, I'm gonna put that bit of wood in, and then I'm gonna plate it with that,
Okay.
so it will never happen again.
Okay. Very good. She put a little thing on it, so she put sort of in memory of.
Yeah.
something like that.
You silly Billy. No more, no more. Ah. No more. No more. Come sit down. Come be a good boy. Come. Sit here. Sit with Daddy. Good boy. Good boy, Arthur. Good boy. Good little monkey. Stop being silly. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. Shush. Stop being a wally. This is where we are so far. Now we could probably leave it there. That's a much better repair than what the bloody council done already. I could have made it a tiny bit neater, but I reckon we're good there. We want it to last now, so I don't think that'll go anywhere at all, but we're just gonna plate the back of this now, and then that way it's never coming off, eh? Oh no. Shit. Shouldn't have done that, should I? Fuck it. There's a bar the other side of this. No. Let's just fill that in. Right, we're pretty much done, but because people are disgusting, we need to, I'm going to pick up all this rubbish. Come here, you little monkey. Wait. I'll let you off, look. Go on then, get your ball. One more thing to do, they've not put the pin in to actually secure it. We might as well move it to a new patch of grass. Boy. Sorted. Oh, and in case you're wondering, his name was Paul. He died of cancer. Anyway, we're going to sit here for a minute, enjoy the view, have a beer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.